at the Timpooneke trailhead, and where are we headed, Demery?
To the Timpooneke.
Yeah, well, we're in Timpooneke, but we're heading to Waterfall. Scout Falls. So we start at Timpooneke trailhead. We're gonna try to find Scout Falls. What's going on back there, girl? Here we go. All right. Got the whole fam with us this time. You guys want to say hi to the camera? It is hot, isn't it? We're about a mile into the hike, and it is smoking hot today, isn't it? They got a beautiful clearing right here behind us. We're gonna show it off. And it goes up to this awesome mountain peak. On my back. Hi. What are we doing, Demery?
Doing a hike.
Trying to find Scout Falls, huh? Hopefully we find it. What's there?
Scout Falls.
You found Scout Falls? I don't think this is Scout Falls, Demery. Okay, so we just crossed that pretty little waterfall. I'm guessing somewhere pretty close there's gonna be a left-hand turn. Hopefully we haven't already missed it. Okay, climbing up some rocks here. Get a little steep real quick. So, just a little higher up. Looks like I have one right up this way, kind of at the top corner. We can either go up or left, so we're gonna turn left and see what happens here. Oh, yep, there's the waterfalls. See them, Demery?
Yep.
Okay, we made it. If you look behind me here, you see the waterfalls right there. Pretty small. We're gonna go check them out though. We made it to Scout Falls. We got some kids here. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
They think they want to get wet in this waterfall, but it's freezing. But you know, as a travel adventure specialist, we're gonna get you close to the action. So, here we go. You guys ready? No, it's too sharp. It's gonna be cold. Is that cold, Tay-Tay? Oh, I don't want to do this. It looks cold. Oh. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's cold. Just do it, hurry. What do you think, Tay? Sam, are you ready?
Is it cold, Sammy?
I'm going in one more time. What the heck? Now, we're between the Scout Falls. Getting you right in on the action. Okay, here we are. We're between Scout Falls. Got one fall on this side. Got the other fall on that side. I'm gonna walk through them both for you. So that's how I roll. Here we go. Here's one. Here's the other. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that is freezing cold. Okay, you can see Scout Falls behind me there. We're ready to head back down. We're gonna try to go back a different way. So we came up this way, and then it looks like you can go back that way. So we're gonna give that a try and see how that goes. All right, coming from the other direction now, we finally found the tree roots, which we heard. So if you look back here, you can see the tree roots going all the way up, and that will actually take you to the waterfall as well. So if we had stayed on the trail, you can see it kind of forks, and you can continue up on the switchback to go that way, or if you keep going this direction off to the left, comes all the way around the edge here and to the tree roots, which will take you to Scout Falls. Okay, so now we're going backwards, so I can kind of just show you what you would be hiking towards as you come towards the waterfall, because we're hiking back down now. I'm gonna flip the camera around to show you this. So now we're going backwards, and there's these cool little bridge things, but the switchbacks are taking us a lot longer to get down. Okay, so it's been a good hike, huh?
Yeah.
You can go ahead. Going up this direction here, we actually got to the waterfall probably 10 to 15 minutes faster than if we'd gone back up the trail this way on the switchback. So I don't know, if you're older, don't have a bunch of little kids, I definitely recommend taking that other direction. But if you have little ones, it's probably better to just continue on the switchbacks. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you guys don't mind, subscribe to the channel and make sure you give it a thumbs up by subscribing to the channel. I know that you appreciate all the hard work that we put into making these videos, and we'll keep making more. So once again, thanks for watching.